Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm just going to try and create a hairstyle with my hair. I have no plan whatsoever. I don't know what hairstyle I'll be doing today, but all I know is that I'll be featuring two new products that I just add to my hair product, and also I'm going to be using the needle and thread cornrow style to get my hair to the style that I want. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to be creating with this hairstyle, or what I'm about to, like the hairstyle that I want to do. So let's get right into it. There are two new products that I currently just added to my hair product, and one is the Omoni She's Omoni Edge Control Gel. This, guys, is amazing. I got this sent to me by Omoni. She's also a YouTuber here, and guys, the first day it came, I just went ahead right away and just used it on my edges. And guys, me who has been struggling to lay my edges down, this was just a bomb. I'm not going to lie, this product was just amazing. It just, you guys will see how the effect of this edge control on my hair is amazing. Another one that I'm going to be using today is also by Omoni. This is argan oil, 100% argan oil by She's Omoni, 100% pure Moroccan argan oil that you can use for your hair. So I'm just going to be using this as an oil treatment or something like that. So it's 100% argan oil, is from Morocco, and guys, you have to add this to your collection, your hair collection. This product has so many benefits. You can go on Google and search it. You can even search it here on YouTube, the benefit that argan oil has for your hair. To be leaving the product link or website down below so that you can go order yours. So I'm just using about 2-3 drops. From the video that I watched on YouTube, you don't need that much of the oil. So you rub it on your hand. You can also use this oil on your skin. Me who is struggling with extreme dry skin. My face is not dry, but the other part of my body, they're really dry. So maybe I can use some of it on my skin. You can see. So I just put just a little. I'm just taking a little bit more to, I just use this off. Okay, let's just use all that. Rub it on your hand, then rub it on your hair. I'm going to rub it on my edges the most, because you know what, my edges are really the ones that really need so much of moisturizing and all that. So I'm rubbing it, and yeah, I'm going to comb it in, and I'm going to start my tutorial. I'm going to be leaving the link of this product down below. Please kindly go on her website, check it out. Also order a product from her. She's here on YouTube, and yeah, on her website. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, comb my hair, and I'm going to use the threading method to do my cornrow. I've used this method before, like I've been practicing this method, guys. I did a video on this method a few weeks ago, and I am loving this method right now for my short hair, and I've been practicing, and I'm getting like I'm learning it really well, and I decided to use this method to create the hairstyle that I wanted to do. So I used the needle that I had from I had this needle at home. I believe I got it from local beauty supply store, but I'm not 100% sure because it looks different from the other ones that I purchased from my beauty supply store, either at the sewing shop, or it's either the sewing shop or the beauty supply store. So, and I just use that to like cornrow my hair. Guys, if you have a short hair and you really want to create a hairstyle, a crochet wig, or any hairstyle you want to create, this method is amazing. I'm just happy that I finally discovered something that is very simple and quick that you can use for use to cornrow your hair back, especially if your hair is short. Guys, I'm just looking up because I just recently installed a TV on my wall, and I was watching a Nigerian movie, and I keep looking up, and yeah, so that is what I did. As you can see, it was really simple, really fast. I learned this like I've been practicing from the very first video. I saw this on a lady, another YouTuber channel. I'm going to leave her link down below, and she used this method to create so much lovely hairstyle, and I just had to just like, do you know what, I need to use this method especially for my short hair. And as you can see, the final look was amazing. My hair was laying down flat, guys. It was flat. When I put on my wig, I was just amazed. Like, I loved the way it looks with my wig on, and I didn't have to even glue my wig down. I finally, when I finished the thread method cornrow, I didn't want to do anything much. I just wanted to put on a wig, and you know what, wig is easier for me to like do, and I can always take it out at the end of the day. I don't like sleeping with any hair, so I decided to go with the wig. So as you can see, guys, if you have not learned this method, if you don't know how to cornrow at all, this method is great for you. You can learn it. It's very simple. It's very easy. It's like practice. When you practice one or twice or one or two times, you're going to get a hold of it. You're going to get used to it. And this, I was doing this on my own hair. So if you're doing this on somebody's hair, it's going to be even easier and faster. So yeah, that is what I did. Guys, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway that I announced a few weeks ago. I'm so sorry. I know I've been slacking here on YouTube. Like, I've just been taking my time. I've just been relaxing and not stressing. Like, I'm just taking my time, guys. I know I did say that I'm going to be announcing the giveaway, the winner of my the 40k giveaway. I'm going to be announcing it on my other channel. If you do not follow me on my other channel, that was the criteria of the giveaway. You have to follow me on this channel, leave a comment on that video, and then go to my other channel, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment. So if you haven't done that, I'm so sorry. You will not be among the draw. You'll not be among the draw, among the winners. I'm so sorry because I already announced it. And yeah, so I'm going to be announcing the giveaway this coming Sunday. I hope I can film by this Friday when I post this video, and I can get things going. I have a lot of videos that I filmed. I've been lazy. I'm not going to lie. I've been just like, laziness is just taking a hold of me. Sorry, guys. I have so many videos. I have wig tutorials that I filmed that I didn't even finish yet. I have about 2 or 3 wig tutorials, and yeah, and other stuff. Please, guys, please kindly go follow my other channel and subscribe to my other channel. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys watch this this video to an end, and you guys let me know, would you try this method out? Have you been learning it, or have you been trying it out? So I'm going to see you guys at the end. So guys, this is the hair I decided to use for this tutorial today. So I'm using my own wig. This wig is on my website at www.ivglam.com, and you can purchase this wig on my website. So the trick I use for this wig, if I don't want to glue it down or use any got to glue anything, I just take the first 2 strings of the braid and I will tie it to the back, and that will secure your wig. That is one trick I've been using lately for my wigs, especially my braided wig, and it has been working really well. So I don't have to put on any glue or anything, and it's really secure. It's not going anywhere. It's really tied to my head. So I just took the 2 first string of the braided wig and I will tie it to the back, so, and it really works for me. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please kindly subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and go follow me on my other channel, and I post different stuff on that channel. And if you have any requests as well, leave a comment down below. And yeah, that is all about it. Thank you so much for watching this far. I'm grateful, and I'm very happy for all my supporters and people that check on me if I do not post regularly. Thank you so much guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. And for now, I'm going to say bye. Mwah.